What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish. Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today we're gonna get a little bit personal because we never did this kind of video of a Q&A, kind of going through the basics, how we started with all this and how we keep it going and how we keep this motivation and ideas keep flowing and going, and we haven't stopped yet. And we don't plan on to. Stay tuned for this video. Drop the comments down below. What do you guys want to know? Because I'll answer it, you know, as long as it's pretty appropriate, I guess, you know. Keep it YouTube friendly because we need to be monetized. Keep this going because we have this hoopty right here that I gotta get to, and there's a lot of parts that still need to be bought and done too. And then we got that hoopty over there, and then we gotta buy a daily for the daily. And we gotta buy a daily for that daily so we can do more daily things and bring that to the track eventually. But probably questions down the line and maybe another video. Ow. Fuck. Oh, cramp. Yo, what the fuck? Y'all ever get that cramp right here? What the fuck is wrong with me? Alright, so stay tuned for this Q&A video, y'all. So, first question, guys. How did I get started with YouTube? Why I chose the tsxs? You know, how did we? You want to know? Well, let's find out. As you can tell, we have two tsxs right here. Unfortunately, we do not have our blue tsx anymore. That sadly got totaled with a crazy ass story. If you guys know from way back, I made a video on this and kind of didn't want to make a video on it because it's just like a really shitty, weird scenario. It could have got ugly, which it did. We don't have the blue tsx, but we grew up from that. We learned, we prospered, and that guy, his life is f***ed. So I got the blue tsx from starting my first job in manufacturing. Met this homie Seth, and he ended up knowing this chick that was selling the blue tsx that was special ordered. This was second owner. It was special ordered by this older gentleman. You know, the blue, black interior, A-spec lips, 6-speed, like the whole package from the dealer. And then it was garage kept since then until I got it because I couldn't keep it in the garage. So I didn't even know how to drive manual yet. I went to Poland, I learned there, I forgot, came back, and it took me a while. Like I didn't even drive my car for like a week. I had to start putting around the shop and like wherever it felt comfortable. It was a little nerve-wracking, but it's like riding a bike, y'all. Alright, so getting back to the homie Seth. He's the one that introduced me, and I was looking for cars, looking for options. Honestly, bro, I don't know why I was thinking about a Subaru Legacy, bro. Don't ask any questions. I was a dumbass. I wasn't even into cars. Like, I was not into cars like that, and this is how I got into cars. My brother, he got a 240. He got that shit since he was in high school. He influenced a lot of people, and he was kind of like the first amongst like his generation of group to have a 240. This 240 was down the street in our neighborhood, owned by an older guy, just sitting in a driveway, bone stock, I don't know, 90,000 miles, maybe less. Like, this shit was dumb clean, and it still is clean. He's the big reason why I got into cars, because I've always went to drift events. I go to his shop, see what they're working with, and all the homies, and that's just kind of how it sparked the interest. And then I got the blue tsx, which now you guys are here, and we made it this far in Florida now. 2 tsxs, you know, we're on our third. We've had 3 in our lifetime. It's the only cars I've really owned. So this all our channel's about, plus other events and whatever we get into. You guys made it this far. We're past 7,000 subscribers, on our way to 10K, and we've grown such a good, strong Rish family because it's all organic. Straight posting and tsx content, and if you guys search up anything tsx, you're gonna find me. So, you wanna know how I come up with YouTube video ideas? Well, you get inspiration from others and you kind of just buy parts. The car scene niche is really expensive and is one of the hardest to grow in because you're constantly investing, constantly spending your money to make content, buy these parts, and to grow. Automotive channels don't do as great or get as many eyes on. But obviously, you know, if you're in a different realm and not tsx specific or whatever the case may be, then there's differences. What all I'm saying is there's a lot of car content. You always gotta try to spark something different. YouTubing, there's a lot to it, you know, video editing, recording, doing the car work, all in between, mixing it all up. It's a lot of work, but it is possible. We started out on the iPhone, doing iMovie, and then we just kind of leveled up from there because we were like, damn, we really enjoy this, and I always wanted to do it. I used to do YouTube when I was younger, you know, gaming videos and that, being a little squeaker. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably in the same boat, playing Minecraft, League of Legends, stuff like that. So I've always been in tune with wanting to make content, but I never back then was really that into cars until I got my first tsx, and then like a little bit beforehand. Not impossible, guys. You just gotta find the ideas, find what you're passionate about, enjoy it, and don't take it as like a job. It's just more of a hobby, doing something that you love, and just keep it flowing. That's really it. And if you get monetized, you're not thinking about it as for the money. It's for the exposure, doing what you like, build that up from there. That's my goal in the end. I just want to build Obviously, getting money is good because you have to reinvest, because we spend so much investing into the car scene that we need it. But it's not the ultimate goal. It's not my goal. I want to grow an awesome community and make things happen for myself, my family, you guys. More giveaways, more information, more awesome cars, and yeah, growing this Rish community. How do I grow my YouTube channel? When I first started out, I was literally DMing links to people on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever I could, and just DMing them my channel, my new YouTube video, Facebook groups. I'd share my links to obviously the tsxs pages. It definitely helped a lot for traction, but it also isn't the best thing to do, guys, because you also want to grow organically, which is just posting consistently, whether it's shorts. Shorts also drive a good traction to the channel because you could get a wider range of people, and people's attention spans are kind of like shit. You kind of have to be like this, spastic and up and down and moving around different cutscenes. Trying to be like that for you guys, because I'm kind of like that too, man. I'm like ADHD brain all over the place, steered away. So, what was I getting to? See, this is what I'm talking about, steering away from shit. As I was talking about short attention spans, I completely forgot what the whole main idea was. Growing my channel, used to share my links 24/7, word of mouth kind of thing. At times, obviously, it could get annoying. People probably don't like that shit all the time. I don't care, man. If you're not fucking with the grind, with what I'm doing, you're not supporting, then you don't need to be around. There's plenty of other people in the world that will support you with what you do, or need some of the information you relay, or they find you entertaining and personable. So yeah, there's a lot of factors into it, but biggest thing is being consistent with your posting, having a schedule, which we recently started being better about. Being you. Don't fucking fake it. Be you, because people are gonna tell. I guess to each their own, but if you want to be fake, that's on you. That ain't us. So if you like the real shit, that's this channel. Leave a like, subscribe, and on to the next question. The next question is, how do I edit my videos? The videos that you guys see on the YouTube channel, I don't stress it enough, really. She edits the videos. The one, my girl that's holding the camera right now. She edits all the YouTube videos. I just do my Instagram stuff and TikToks and all that, you know, short clips and reels and all that fun stuff. How we started out was literally on iPhone, on iMovie, recording on that, and then upgrading to the Sony a6000, and then getting a laptop, MSI, which, funny enough, it's right here. We still got it. It's long overdue. It's jank. I mean, this thing's kind of breaking and falling apart, and it doesn't run as good. We obviously have our computer set up, which is also kind of outdated, but it still works, and it's uploading these videos for you guys, even in 4K. Anywho, that's how we edit our videos. Next question, how do I deal with negative comments and like haters and whatnot? Honestly, sometimes if I'm in the mood, I kind of talk my shit back because I don't really care. Or sometimes I just block the person because I don't care either. Or I ignore them because I don't care. It really depends. Like, it doesn't really affect me none. The haters are motivators, and it's what keep you thriving and pushing. So if you got haters, you're doing something right. Am I right? Right. Look at this. So we got a bunch of little hoodies for your shift knobs, guys. Seeing it, I was like, oh, this is kind of a cool idea. And then I could really small vinyl print like Rish right here, or like right here. What do you guys think seems better? Right here or right here? In the spirit, y'all. Haters, you know, they're motivators, guys. You just gotta keep it pushing and don't let them get to you as much, because if anything, it's still more traction on your channel. It's leaving a comment. If you guys go back and forth, that's even more traction. Fuck it, right? You know? Do what you want, man. Do what you want. Shit, y'all call me crisscrossing applesaucing over here, you know. Look at that. Finalize this gift. We're festive. Festive now. If I don't want to stay up, I can stay right there. Next question. Do I think of YouTube every day? Yes, I do, man. You guys are on my mind 24/7. I'm thinking about the next video idea, what else I could do, what I could buy, what I could build, and what else I haven't gotten to yet. The biggest stressor is not having enough time, and that leads into the next question. Well, I guess you guys are wondering, who is this? This right here is Honey. I guess that's what we named her, and hopefully she believes her name's Honey eventually. She's honestly been super good with Sky, and they're like two peas in a pod. They're super similar. They've been really good. So, another girly to the family, y'all. And she's a Sagittarius. Her birthday is December 6th, which is crazy. My birthday is November 27th. Hers is December 6th. Yours is the 9th. Sky's is the 14th. So we're all just Sagittarius here. How do I balance with like work and doing all that? It's hard, y'all. It's literally hard, especially now that it's like getting cold and it gets dark within an hour being out of work. And then now having her, new addition to the family,
trying to get her used to everything and familiarized and comfortable. A lot of change and a lot of things to continue on, and looks like they're just about to start playing. Excuse the mess behind me, it's Christmas time. It's alright, it's alright. Future plans for the TSXs. Obviously we have 2 TSXs. We're doing a front end restoration on the TSX, on the white one, which we started with. And repainting the engine bay and going turbo and all that fun stuff. It's really just kind of like, I just want to go turbo. I've never had a boosted car. I've never done that before. I've never done any of the things that I'm doing right now, and I'm just learning as I go. Yeah, that's really that. Just want to get boosted and refreshing the car and drive it. That's really it for the white TSX. Get it boosted, drive it, learn it, and just experience. Black TSX, it's kind of daily right now until I get another daily for the daily. And, you know, I really want to go to the track someday. Hold on. So, I really want to go to the track someday. And it might be the black TSX, or that might be her car in the future. You never know, guys. Need another daily for the daily. Some sort of SUV, truck, mainly an SUV that has towing capacity and just some space, because we got 2 doggos now. Do some traveling and adventuring and have space. Because the TSX is not that spacious. Coming to find out, it's doing all right, doing the job for right now. That's really it, guys. A little bit of Q&As. If you guys want me to do more kind of these kind of segment videos, let me know what questions you have. What do you want me to answer? And yeah, leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, man. If you enjoyed the content, man. Road to 10K subscribers. We just surpassed 7K, so you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah, we really gotta clean up in here a little bit, because like, it's kind of a mess. Like, I mean, it's Christmas and shit, but. Oh, you ready? Oh shit. Still recording? Turn that shit off.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off, rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.